Welcome to our guide on replacing the key fob battery in your 2008-2010 Ford Taurus. Is your key fob failing to lock or unlock your doors or start the car remotely? A dead battery is usually the cause. Replacing it yourself is a simple DIY task that saves time and money over a dealership visit. No special tools or expertise needed. For step 1, locate the small seam or release button on your key fob. Locate the small seam or release button on your key fob. Gently insert the flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into the seam. Carefully pry the fob open. Be gentle to avoid cracking the plastic casing. Some fobs may have a small screw you'll need to remove first. A coin can also be used for leverage if the casing is stubborn, but be cautious. With the key fob open, you'll see the CR2032 battery inside. First, note the battery's orientation. The positive side marked with a plus sign should be facing up. Then, use your screwdriver or fingernail to gently pry the old battery out of its compartment. Be careful not to damage the contacts or the battery itself. Insert the new CR2032 battery into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing up, matching the orientation of the old battery. Make sure the battery is securely seated in the compartment and the contacts are aligned. Now carefully snap the two halves of the key fob casing back together. Ensure the casing is fully closed and there are no gaps. If there was a screw, reinsert and tighten it. The casing should snap together securely. For best results, always use a fresh CR2032 battery to ensure reliable performance and longer life. To avoid corrosion, never touch the battery terminals with your bare fingers as oils can cause electrical issues. When disposing of old batteries, recycle them responsibly through eco-friendly programs like Call to Recycle to protect the environment. While modern vehicles are shifting to integrated keyless systems without replaceable batteries, this simple DIY method stays practical and affordable for your 2008-2010 Ford Taurus. Enjoy the convenience of a fully functioning key fob.